Mutual share. And right now we are landing at Tampa International Airport. And we are in a airbus a220 JetBlue. So as you can see, guys, 3 minutes from JFK. I don't know if you could see her clearly. The landing, but we are gonna land pretty much right now. I'm sorry about the window quality, folks. Apologize. But yeah, we're about to hit the destination. See, this is the bridge from St. Pete to Tampa. And if you did not know, this is the west coast of Florida. So Miami is the east coast, Tampa, St. Pete, west coast. As you can see, this is the other bridge that also goes from St. Pete to Tampa. You can see the cars closely. Destination.
Don't say that. Say that one more time. Say that one more time.
And there we are at the airport. Finally in Florida, as you can see. Honestly, guys, I had a great experience for JetBlue. If you get a certain amount of points, you could get a free trip. So definitely recommend taking a look if you never flew on JetBlue before. You know, like I said in my previous video, I like it better than Delta, me personally, but Delta has bigger planes. That's the other advantage. So Delta and JetBlue has its own benefits, you know, but they're very similar to me. And we are about to approach the gate, so I would like to shut it down there, guys. Hope you had a great day. Peace out.